Did you know at Marcotte Ford we offer mobile service? Our experienced technicians will come to you for most of your service needs. Our technicians can perform a lot of the same services remotely that we do in the dealership. From light maintenance to recalls, we've got your back. Our mobile service team is Ford factory trained and certified. Mobile service is just another amenity we provide. To schedule your mobile service, give us a call or schedule in the Ford Pass app. Marcotte Ford, we've got your back.